Hello students, today we are going to solve first numerical of Buckingham-Pi theorem. Question is given as a partially submerged body is stored in water. The resistance R to its motion depends on the density rho, the viscosity mu of the water, length L of the body, velocity v of the body and acceleration due to gravity g. Show using Buckingham-Pi theorem that the resistance to motion can be expressed in the form of R equals to function of V, L, mu, rho and g. Now we have to solve this question. Now solution for this question is phi is a function of R, V, L, mu, rho and g, which will be equals to 0. Here n equals to 6 and m equals to 3. So number of dimensionless pi terms are n minus m, which will be equals to 6 minus 3 equals to 3. Now we have to select the repeating variables, hence L, rho and V are the repeating variables. Now number of variables forming a pi term equals to m plus 1. Now the value of m is 3, so it will be equals to 3 plus 1, which will be equals to 4. So pi 1 will be equals to L to the power a1, V to the power b1, rho to the power c1 and r. Similarly, pi 2 will be equals to L to the power a2, V to the power b2, rho to the power c2 and mu. And pi 3 will be equals to L to the power a3, V to the power b3, rho to the power c3 and g. That will be the pi terms. Now we have to find the solution of pi terms. So pi term solutions is given as, the first one is pi 1 term. Now m0, L0, T0 will be equals to L to the power a1. Similarly, Lt minus 1 to the power b1. Similarly, ml minus 3 to the power c1 and mlt to the power minus 2. This is the dimension formula for all the parameters. Now on reducing this, we will have m to the power c1 plus 1. Similarly, L to the power a1 plus b1 minus 3c1 plus 1 and t to the power minus b1 and minus 2. Similarly, here m0, L0 and t0. Now for m, c1 plus 1 will be equals to 0. So the value of c1 will be equals to minus 1, which is shown here. Similarly, on putting the value of c here, a1 plus b1 will be equals to minus 4. Similarly, for t, minus b1 minus 2 will be equals to 0. So the value of b1 will be equals to minus 2. So a1 will be equals to minus 4 plus 2. It will be equals to minus 2. So the value of pi 1 will be equals to L to the power minus 2, V to the power minus 2, rho to the power minus 1 into R. So it will be equals to R upon L square, V square, rho. That will be the solution for pi 1. Similarly, we can determine the solution for pi 2. For pi 2 term, it will be equals to m0, L0 and T0, it will be equals to L to the power a2, Lt minus 1 to the power b2, ml minus 3 to the power c2 and ml minus 1 t minus 1. On solving this, we will have m to the power c2 plus 1, L to the power a2 plus b2 minus 3c2 minus 1 and t to the power minus b2 minus 1. And here m0, L0 and T0. On comparing this, for m, C2 plus 1 will be equals to 0. So the value of C2 will be equals to minus 1, which is shown here. Now for L, it will be equals to A2 plus B2 minus 3C2 minus 1 will be equals to 0. So A2 plus B2, on putting the value of C2 here, it will be equals to minus 2. Similarly for T, it will be equals to minus B2 minus 1 will be equals to 0. So B2 will be equals to minus 1. On putting this value in A2 plus B2 equals to minus 2, we will have the value of A2 equals to minus 1. Now we will write the equation for pi 2. It will be equals to L inverse V inverse rho inverse into mu. So it will be equals to mu upon L V rho. That will be the solution for pi 2 term. Now for pi 3 term, it will be equals to m0 l0 t0 l to the power a3 lt minus 1 to the power b3 ml minus 3 to the power c3 and lt minus 2. On rearranging this, we will have m0 l0 t0 equals to m to the power c3 l to the power a3 plus b3 minus 3c3 plus 1 and t to the power minus b3 minus 2. On comparing, for m, c3 will be equals to 0. Similarly for t, minus b3 minus 2 will be equals to 0. So b3 will be equals to minus 2. Similarly for L, it will be equals to a3 plus b3 minus 3c3 plus 1 will be equals to 0. So on putting the value, we will have a3 equals to 1. Now the solution of pi 3 will be equals to L to the power 1 V square rho to the power 0 into G, that is Lg upon V square. That will be the solution for pi 3. Now we know that phi is a function of R upon L square V square rho, mu upon L into V into rho and Lg upon V square. So R upon L square V square rho will be equals to phi 1 into rho into L into V upon mu V upon under root of Lg. Therefore, R will be equals to L square V square rho. Phi 1 is a function of rho V L upon mu and V upon under root of Lg. So, R will be equals to L square V square rho into phi 1, which is a function of Re and Fr, that is the Reynolds number and Froude number. That is the complete solution for this question. Thank you very much, students.